Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and it is getting colder and colder outside. So today I have a recipe that, despite the name, will warm you right up. Today we're going to be making vegan chili. Let's go ahead and dive in. We have a lot of veggies to prep, so let's start off by chopping some onions, red bell pepper, and celery into about 1/4 inch pieces. Set those aside for now and do the same with some tomatoes. Take out a large pot and put it to medium heat with some olive oil. Throw in some garlic and saute for about a minute. Next, we're going to add our onion, pepper, and celery and cook for about 10 minutes. Turn the heat down to low and add your fresh tomatoes along with 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. The reason for the cans is to add some extra liquid to the dish, whereas the fresh tomatoes add some chunkiness. Let's spice up this bad boy with some chili powder, cumin, basil, oregano, salt, pepper, and parsley. Let those flavors mingle and stir regularly for 30 minutes. Now add a can of beans and a can of chickpeas to the mix and continue cooking for another 20 minutes. Do a final couple taste tests, adding any extra salt or pepper to your liking, and then let's plate this dish. Now in the Midwest, traditionally you'd have a cinnamon roll with this, but unfortunately they didn't have any when I was at the store last time. But let's go ahead and dive in. Chili is just one of those recipes that just absolutely melts the cold away. It is so robust and flavorful. It just absolutely will thaw you out. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let us know what are some of your favorite winter dishes in the comments section down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Do you think if you replaced your head with like a bowling ball, an 8-pound bowling ball, would you notice?
Yeah, there's kind of a brain in one of them. The other one's an inanimate object.
Yeah.